Hello everyone. I'm guessing most of you have seen the Ghibli art images on the internet from last 3 days. So, in this video we are going to talk about Ghibli art images. Recently, Chatgpt is converting the images into Ghibli art when we give prompt. We can do this on laptop and mobile both. There are so many options to convert our images into Ghibli art like ChatGPT, Twitter, Grok AI, etc. So, so we will see this on ChatGPT here. Go to Chrome and search for ChatGPT. Here we are seeing the first link. Click on it. It will ask you to log in. You have to log in and you will get this screen. Click here and now click on this plus icon and select the photos from your computer, and simply you can give the prompt here. I'm saying it to convert this image into Ghibli image with some background. Okay, now we will have to wait for it. It is going to take like 3 to 4 minutes, I guess. Studio Ghibli animation is characterized by soft colors, dreamy landscapes, and hand-drawn details, making it a natural inspiration for AI-generated art. Has become popular on social media, whether it is Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or whatever. Everywhere it is popping out, and everyone is loving it. All right, here it is. This is so cool. I really love it. Now I want to make some changes in this. Like I want to change the background. Let's see if it is allowing me or not, because I'm using the free version. Okay, so because I'm using free version, I have to wait for next 6 minutes to create a new image or make changes in this. So I guess we can convert 12 to 15 images in ChatGPT for free. After that, it will ask us to use paid version. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.